In this video, I'm going to show you how to translate some contents coming from HelpServer with Wordbee Translator. This is the first part of the video. So, we are in our HelpServer's workbench and we want to export the Birds book in order to translate it in French. To do so, let's first right-click on the book we want to export, click on Export, and then on Translation XML. Let's do Translate from English to French. Then we click on Next and choose where to store the XML file on our computer. It will be stored in a subfolder named HelpServer Translate. I choose to store the document on my desktop. We then click on Start and wait for the process to be finalized. When it is done, we now go to our Wordbee's online platform. We have to select the project we have created and which is called Birds Book, from which we already have filled in the details: name, source and target languages, deadline, price list, etc. Because we now need to upload the exported file in order to start the translation, we go to the Documents tab and click on Upload Documents. Let's now click on Add and find the corresponding document in our computer database. And finally, click on Upload. We need to set the document for online translation, and we thus right-click on it, and then we click on Manage Translation. In the second window, let's give a version number to the document. In this case, it will be the first version. As we don't change the default settings for this project, we can now click on Confirm. My document is now ready to be translated online. We now go to the Jobs tab, as we need to select the translator who will do the job. This translator is already registered in our database, and Wordbee always proposes the services of the translators working with the pair of languages we need. We click on Manage. We are going to choose Fixed Assignment as we want to select a supplier in particular, but if we didn't have anyone in mind, we could have chosen Crowd Assignment, and Wordbee would have sent the job proposal to all the suppliers available. So, to choose a translator, we click on the three dots icon and select it in the list displayed. Wordbee automatically calculates how much we're going to owe this supplier based on his price list and on the number of words they are to translate. We don't forget to click on Save Changes. We are now in the Freelance Translator's online workspace. He has received a notification by email proposing him the job. The translator selects the job. He then clicks on Set Status and accepts the job by ticking the Terms and Conditions checkbox. The status has been set to In Progress. He now opens the translation interface and starts the translation. The content to translate contains twice the same topic, but in two different chapters. When the translator reaches this topic for the second time in the translation interface, Wordbee recognizes the text and translates it automatically. Wordbee is also a collaborative platform that enables you to communicate with other persons who have access to the project. And now you can go to the second part of the video to see how to download the translated file and then import, preview, print and publish it with HelpServer.